Hello everyone, welcome to African Drum Lessons. Today we are going to do part 3 of improvisations. The first beat is bass, tone, tone, bass, 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 tone, which is the main beat. The second one is slap, tone, tone, bass, tone, which is the improvisation beat. The third one is tone, tone, which is the improvisation beat 2. I'm going to play each beat twice, then after you're going to join me. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to play all of them together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of the first class of part 3 improvisations. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the like button.